Sanay ka na sa isang bagay, so feeling mo komportable ka. Pero malungkot ka. Pero hindi ka satisfied. Lalo na kapag ang dami mong ibubuga, lalo na kung sobrang talented mong tao, tapos nililimata mo yung sarili mo kasi natatakot ka to try new things. Trying new things will always be scary. If you choose to be stuck, then you're not honestly exactly where you need to be. You're stopping that from happening. Because, yes, God places us where we should be, but being stuck is a choice. Sometimes, diba, God will always give us challenges. Parang bibigyan niya tayo ng mga certain challenges in our lives that will really test everything in our lives. Our faith, our character, our morals, everything. Itetest talaga lahat yan until ma-realize natin na maybe He's just redirecting you. He's pushing you to do something else or to be with someone else or to get out of a toxic relationship or to get out of this job. There are some things that minsan nasa mukha na natin yung signs, hindi natin siya pinapansin kasi natatakot tayo. Natatakot tayo to do something new.